Hey, awesome crew, ready for a superpowered room makeover. First mission, toy rescue. Scoop up every action figure and plush hero, then fly them back into the toy box base. Mission 2, clothes tornado. Grab every sock and shirt on the floor. If it's stinky, slam dunk it into the laundry basket. If it's fresh, fold it like origami and stack it away. Mission 3, desk reboot. Clear the clutter, line up your books, and reserve a spotlight for your greatest artwork. Final boss, the bed dragon. Smooth the blankets, fluff the pillows, and turn the nest into a throne. Crank up your favorite tune, invite a cleanup buddy, and let's make tidying the coolest quest ever.